answer. You go, ask question. So, question. What of content would you like on channel? Please subscribe. Blue retro. Blue retro. So again, what type of content would you like on channel? Question mark. Please subscribe. So, that's not really working, is it? Oh, shit. Nobody watching at this minute, so we'll just try and get this up. We'll do it again. What type of content would you like on channel? Right, so we've got 13 people up there now, and we've got a bit of a retro feel to this today. And I'm here in the woodland with the goats. I'm just trying to maybe change the background a little bit, maybe not do that. Let's do a bit of mirror stuff. How does that work? It don't work. Let's have a bit of retro. Nothing wrong with a bit of retro. We like retro. Good. Retro. Yeah, so I'm here with the goats. Let's have a little look at the goats. There's the goats, and a bit of a nightmare getting the goats in last night. It really was. Then I had a problem with the cat, and one of my regular viewers thought I was losing the plot, which is not unusual. So let's go back to me, I think. And yes, I think yesterday was a rather interesting day because I came to the realization and conclusion about something, and it's more along the lines that I'm going to be putting more of my time into filmmaking rather than actual acting myself. Let's get this down on you. And one thing about filmmaking is that you've got more control when you're actually an actor in something. It's almost if it's somebody else's work, so that's always a problem, because it's trying to interpret what they want. And anyone watching out there, please like and subscribe. It's got images of the ground as the goats are mowing the grass. So one of the things I've got to check on is if the goats are actually doing any damage. So they are tethered. So they are bringing the grass down. And one of the things, if they do escape, Are they damaging any of the trees that we planted? No, that seems to be pretty good. What I might do is get rid of the, let's sort of saying I should have a bit of makeup on this. Makeup effects or lenses. That's not good, is it? No. No lenses at all. Normal. So I think in inspecting if you've got any damage from goats is just to sort of not just look at the leaves, just to sort of see if there's any damage to the bark. Obviously, if you do get damage to the bark, then you need to deal with it straight away. Make sure it's not ringed. When the goats got out last night in the woodland, and she didn't attack those two, or another one further on down, and you can see the goats are actually doing a pretty good job of mowing this grass. I've been thinking of dropping some of the sheep down here, but it seems that when we drop sheep in an area that has not been dealt with for a while, don't know, we get illnesses and stuff. I don't know why that is. So my family's been in farming for well, as far as I know, quite a long time. So this tree has been predated by the goats, so there's no damage to the bark, so that's good. But we've got vital leaves, vital growth that's been attacked. That's going to affect the overall growth of the tree. Now that's been there for about 2 years. They're slow bloody growing. Again, the goat has attacked this tree, but again, just the leaves. So don't forget to like and subscribe to me on the channel. This is a nice little larch wood that we've got, and it's quite small. We usually respond to trees coming down rather than being felled. I felled a few trees in here, old ones, and ones with disease. Now this is a really interesting one. This is still growing. It's got a still bit of growth on it, and maybe that should come down next door to the bigger tree. Maybe that's affecting what nutrients this larch does get. But no real point going through the effort to bring that down. Not really putting much time to it. That's a chainsaw action, but do we get the chainsaw out to do that? Probably not. So anyone watching this now, like and subscribe please, and it'd be nice to say hi to someone out there. I'm doing more and more of these lives because it's bringing other people into the channel, which is good. Some people watching my stuff might think, is it all about subscribers and likes and money and stuff? And I've got a shitload to do each day, so I'm just doing this recording as I wander along. There's this friend of mine in Cardiff called Neil McAvoy. Whether you like him or not, he does a lot of stuff like this where he's wandering around. I say looking at the landscape. He's a councillor, so he for a political party called Propel, and he's does a great job. I tell you what, the world of politics now, what's it becoming? It's becoming a very nasty world. So we think about the archaeology. We're talking about an old wall being traced along here, disappearing into this quarry bank. Another nice bit of wall here. We've got another wall there, so we've got, be nice to sort of work on this building, but it's trying to get the people to do it. Anyone watching this, if they're interested in archaeology and they want to join the archaeology community, it's £10 a year, and it's not a lot. And we send out a magazine called the Lissig Pillar. It's around like 4 times a year. It's fully full colour, and just I think I need to go back over to the chickens, sort of work out them. I've got to get some water up as well. It looks like it might rain today, which should be absolutely looking forward to it raining. And so none of my regulars out there, no Nylog, no Jojo. We did a live yesterday for Wildfire Outbreak UK. That was really interesting. And I might actually, as I'm working and maybe having a coffee or something now, I might do a live on Walking Dead UK channel that we've got. So that'd be good. So connect with some more people there. So anyone who's out there, please say hi, comment, say something. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. It's always useful. So locking the goats in, not that it'll do any good. So let's get you on a wide a minute and just go quiet. This is my OCD moment. Yes, I do have OCD, and I've got little things I need to do. Sometimes when I do a live and things go a bit quiet, I've got some OCD stuff to deal with. Interested to film somebody with OCD on what rituals they do, but people just wouldn't fucking get it. There's lots of different ways of looking at OCD. And when you're an actor and you've got OCD, then things are a bit more screwy, really. So, here we go. And let's sort of look up at the sky a moment. Look back up at the sky. I've got a few things I need to do in a minute. Is there anybody still there? Anyone still watching? Anybody still there? Yes, we do. Hi. Sorry, just to dash a second. The light's a bit weird, so I'm just going to try and read your images back at the farm. And here we go. So, James, are you in Glastonbury? No. James, I'll come down for a cider. I am here, fella. If I was in Glastonbury, it would be absolutely brilliant. Do you know what? I absolutely love Glastonbury, James. I really, really do. And I haven't been down to Glastonbury for a long time. I'm having a cider tonight. And here we go. What's the other message there? Do you like Dickens cider? Dickens cider, eh? Do you know what? I'm from Cymru, Wales. We don't have all these different brands. And, you know, when you go down to Glastonbury, right? It's like you just get the normal whatever drink that's available. And yeah, I don't. Hey, James, don't sort of. I know Glastonbury is where it is. I get a good feeling about Glastonbury. James, I'm hoping that you are subscribed to my channel and you liked and you got the notification bell on, right? And James, here's a bit of a push. If you do join my channel, £1.99 a month, I'll even send you a free book. Or next time I'm in Glasgow, I could bring a copy of one of my books. Question is, who buys the cider then? You know, that's the big question. Who is the cider, the buyer? Mind you, my missus will be with me, so you know, the missus would hate me to go down to Glastonbury without her. She really, really would. My first experience of Glastonbury was, oh God, I don't know, when I was about 18, and that was 33 years ago. In many ways, it doesn't seem that long ago. Doesn't really. I think that's 33, isn't it? Yeah, 33. It doesn't seem that long ago. It feels that long ago, but it doesn't seem that long ago. It seems that 33 years isn't a long time, and I got more time to go, hopefully. So that's good. I'm gonna go and get a drink now. I need a drink. Oh, do you know, I'm gonna have a can of Dr. Pepper, right? And I'm not really good with alcohol, so if I had a cider, I'd have to, James, I'd have to water it down with lemonade. I really would. A nice little bit of lemonade with a nice sort of real lemon, old traditional lemonade kick to it, sort of, which will complement the cider, I do believe, if that makes sense. So, somebody said last night, my recording last night was apparently a bit off edge. One of my regulars said that it was almost as if I was on drugs, paranoid. Actually, it's the way I am. It's not that I'm paranoid. I like to over egg things occasionally. So here we go. What does this say on here? You know, I'm really struggling to get this, I think. So please forgive me. I need to go eat my lunch. I've made a teetotal. Oh, I'm gonna make 2 chapatis. Oh, how dare you even say any of this? Because this is like illegal to say these things, because you know I want this stuff. You know, it's just like really sort of, I want this stuff. You know, what I am going to do, James, is I'm going to go on to my my other channel, which is The Walking Dead UK, which doesn't have as many subscribers on it. Right, so it's The Walking Dead UK, Wildfire Outbreak UK. You'll find it. So if you get onto that and you sub onto that, I'll be live on that in a short while to have a little bit of a chat about production and stuff and filming, which would be really good. I get into a different head then, and I'll be sat down doing some work. Do you know, is there an alternative for people to be saying like and subscribe all the time? Is there? But people just forget. They watch stuff, and it's so good to get. I know this is egotistical. It's so good to get a like, because you're just thinking, you know, somebody's watching. Maybe that's vain. Maybe it's ego. But people subscribing to my channel makes a big difference. Algorithms and all those other things that go bump in the night. So yeah, James is fine. So my other channel, I don't even know how to write on here, you know. I really don't. So you are forgiven, James, and I'm gonna sit down now. I'm gonna have a drink, which I need a drink, and lots of fresh stuff to eat actually. So that'll be good. So I'm here in the domain, in the place. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go now. Don't forget, I'll be on Wildfire Outbreak UK, The Walking Dead UK channel. And I'm just gonna double check something a minute. Causing controversy. I've got to write this in. The Manchester mayoralship race will cost a lot more than 5 million. Look at 21 million. Right, so there's that. And if anyone's actually joined me now, if they want to say hi, I'm thinking of going live whilst I'm going to be doing some work on my other channel, which I'll get the right name in a minute, which will be coming up. And again, anyone who's just joined us, like and subscribe. The Walking Dead UK. So if you get onto the Walking Dead UK, there'll be other stuff that I'll be talking about in regards to filming and production. So that's really, really good. And I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna I just want to check on something a minute, actually. I'm just gonna double check, see how things work a minute. Just signing in on something else. Oh, there we go. And yeah, I'm gonna have a drink. I'm gonna get the door open. Drink. Yeah, I'm gonna have a drink. I'm gonna get the door open. Drink. Copy of myself there. But I don't really. Well, okay, if we do that there, it seems that my channel is restricting people from being able to comment. If you are trying to comment, I'm just going to double check something. So that'll be good. Let's just leave you there a minute, guys. Look at the ceiling. I think it's going to be mushrooms on toast or something like that for dinner. And so there we go. Yeah, right, James, I'm going to go off, so I'll be on the Walking Dead UK channel if anyone's interested. It'd be great if anyone actually sort of goes over to that. Usual like and subscribe. And let's just think, goats, more content about goats. Right, I'm off, James. So enjoy your cider. So if you see me on the Walking Dead channel, that would be great. And somebody's saying, what the hell? Oh, we got Porsche Tamast on at this minute as well. So right, okay. Right, I'm off. So I'll see you soon. I'll be on the Walking Dead channel on YouTube. So I'll see you on there. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys. Bye. Oh, I'm waving to people. I'm not even there. So go. Let's go. I might put a top on now. Look a bit more decent. Thank you. Take care. Like and subscribe.